Hey guys, so we're here in Coon Rapids, Minnesota at one of our recently completed projects. This project, from the day we purchased the house to the day we listed it on the market, took 48 days, meaning we renovated this entire house within 48 days. This house is already sold. The closing is in a few days, but we wanted to give you guys a tour of the property before the closing officially goes through. So here we are in the living room of the house. Now if you look down, we've got wood, refinished wood floors. These are the original wood floors of the house. Fresh paint throughout. One thing I want to note on the paint is that it's actually the exact same paint color on the wall and the ceiling. This is pure white from Sherwin-Williams. So if you're interested in investing in properties and getting into flipping, maybe doing rentals, one thing to do on your lower end properties is to consider painting the walls and the ceiling the exact same color. That's going to save you money. We put a light fixture here in the ceiling. There was no light fixture in this living room mounted on the ceiling originally, so we had to run wire into that. Here we are in the hallway of the house. We've got 3 bedrooms on the primary level with the bathroom right here. If you want to step in here and take a look at the bathroom, we've got tile on the floor, tile in the shower. It's the exact same tile that we ran through both the floor and the walls. And these tiles are 18 inches by 18 inches, so they're a larger format tile, which makes the small bathroom actually feel bigger. Now we're in one of the bedrooms. Again, there's 3 bedrooms on the main level, 1 bedroom in the basement, so this is a 4-bedroom house. One of the things we like to do on all of our properties is obviously swap out all the light fixtures, but in the bedrooms, we specifically like to add dimmable lights. So every bedroom light in the house is dimmable. It's just a nice little feature for the next homeowner. These lights are completely affordable. We get them on Amazon. It's a great place to shop for your light fixtures. All right, welcome to the kitchen. So the kitchen was really a surprise or a good thing for us when we purchased this house. When we originally walked the house, we planned on gutting the kitchen and redoing it. And then once we got everything out, we realized that the cabinets were in excellent condition. Look at these cabinets. These are the original cabinets from when we purchased the house, and they look brand new. Basically, the previous owner had never used them, and so every cabinet is pristine. And again, when we had purchased this house, we had planned on gutting all of these. Same, we kept the countertops. We did put in brand new appliances though, so it's all new stainless steel appliances. This is the original sink, but we put on a new fixture. We did add new hardware to the cabinets too. All right, so now we're in the basement. In the basement, we did fresh paint, obviously, swapped out, put some new lights in the ceiling, did LVP. This is 100% waterproof LVP throughout the basement. We've got a flex space over here, brand new electrical panel put in for the new homeowner. If you remember on the first video, we had discovered the old panel during our walkthrough of the house. Back here, we have the 4th bedroom of the house. All right, so here we are in the laundry room. Now, if you remember from our first video of this house, this laundry room was very dark and scary. Now it's a beautiful, clean laundry room that the next homeowner can feel comfortable doing their laundry. We've got a brand new washer and dryer, new laundry sink, and the mechanicals were all in excellent condition when we purchased the house. Piece of advice for new investors. When you finish your property, you'll go list it on the market, you'll receive offers, and ultimately you'll accept one of the offers. In those offers, you may receive an inspection request. The buyer will have an inspector come out, look at your property, and put together a list of items or issues that are wrong with the property. Don't get nervous with that. Get a second opinion for any major issues. In this house, the buyer's inspector called out an issue on the furnace and said that they wanted a brand new furnace, which was over $6,000 they were requesting. We engaged an HVAC company to come out, do an inspection on the furnace, and give a report. The report came back that the furnace was working fine and was in great condition. We gave that to the buyers and they dropped the issue. That saved us $6,000 at the sale of this house. Twin Cities, if you're looking to purchase your next home, like and follow us because we always have affordable and gorgeous properties available like this one. Cities, if you have a troubled property that you need to sell, contact us. We purchase as is, pay all cash, and close quickly. We will make the transaction easy for you.